Have you noticed that 40G QSFP Plus optical transceivers come with two different connector types, MTP and LC? They offer the same 40G speed and share the same QSFP Plus form factor, but they are quite different. Today, let's break down the differences. First, the most obvious difference between 40G QSFP Plus MTP and 40G QSFP Plus LC modules lies in their interface types. 40G QSFP Plus MP modules use an MTP interface and are designed to connect with 8 or 12 fibers MTP fiber cables. 40G QSFP Plus LC modules use an LC interface and are paired with standard LC duplex cables. The second difference lies in their working principles. The 40G QSFP Plus MTP module uses parallel optics. On the transmit side, a laser array converts electrical signals into 4 parallel optical channels, which are transmitted simultaneously through the MTP multi-fiber cable. On the receive side, the receiver converts parallel optical input signals via a photodetector array into parallel electrical output signals. It's worth mentioning that this module can be split into 4 10G links using an MTP breakout cable, enabling 4x10G connectivity. The 40G QSFP Plus LC transceiver transfers 4 channels of 10G serial data streams to a laser driver controlling DML. The 4 wavelengths are multiplexed inside the module and sent out through an LC connector as a single 40G optical signal. On the receive side, the 40G optical signal is demultiplexed into 4 individual 10G channels with different wavelengths collected by photodiodes and converted to electronic data via TIA. Unlike MTP-based 40G modules, LC-based 40G QSFP Plus modules cannot be broken out into 4x10G. Next, let's consider transmission distance. Taking the most common 40G SR4 and 40G LR4 as examples, the MTP 40G SR4 module is designed for short-distance data transmission, using an 850 nanometer wavelength and operating on multimode fiber. On OM4 fiber, it can transmit for 150 meters. On OM3 fiber, the transmissa distance is 100 meters. The LC40G LR4 optical module has a longer transmission distance, using a 13 nanometer wavelength, and can achieve a transmission distance of 10 kilometers on OS2 SMF. Based on these two typical models, we can see a clear trend. MTP-based 40G modules are mostly used for short-reach connections, while LC-based 40G modules are better suited for long-reach transmission. However, there are also exceptions within the 40G modules. For example, 40G-based BIDI and 40G-based UniV use an LC interface but only support short distances, while MTP-based modules such as 40G-based PLR4 and 40G-based PLR-L4 can support much longer transmission over single-mode fiber. Finally, there have different application scenarios. 40G MTP modules are suitable for short-distance, high-bandwidth interconnections within data centers, between racks, or on the same floor. In contrast, 40G LC modules can support longer distances, making them ideal for interconnections across floors, between buildings, or even throughout a campus. Okay, that concludes our summary. If you still have any questions, please refer to the table below, which outlines their differences, advantages, and disadvantages. You can consider these factors before making your choice. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your support.